Nick, what's going on? Talk to me.
Give me a second.
Nick?
We've got a problem.
It's been a while.
I've been busy.
You've been comfortable. Package at your door. Bring it in. I'll wait.
What is it?
$699.
That's not what I asked.
No, but it's the only number that
Matters. A year ago, what's in that box ran $2,000, maybe $3. It lived behind glass. Now it shows up at your door in a cardboard box. The Flashforge Creator 5.
It's ugly.
Best ones usually are.
And you think this is good enough for the next job?
You tell me.
I don't know. It's high stakes. We can't afford mistakes or wasted time.
Well, that's exactly why it's sitting on your bench. Presumably little to no waste. More than just a second nozzle on a single toolhead. The question isn't whether it's good enough. Question is whether you still are.
No autoload? I feed it in myself? Even they have cheaper machines with autoload.
I'm aware. Some corners they cut, some they didn't. You want polish? Pay triple. It wants your hands on it. When's the last time a machine asked that of you?
Calibration. How long does this take?
First setup takes a while. Offset calibration alone's about 15-20 minutes.
Too tight and it fuses. Too loose, it's junk.
You didn't know that on the last one.
I didn't have to. The last one didn't move.
Talk me through your crew.
Well, there's 4 of them. 2 PLAs, same job, different colors. The twins. One builds half the structure and the other builds the rest. The specialist. Soft and stubborn. She handles the part that has to give instead of hold. It's why a lot of multi-material rigs get fussy with her fast.
But you trust this one?
I don't know. All 4 heads run a short path, direct drive style, and every one of them can reach the whole bed. The trouble is, on this job, she's gonna have to work in some tight spaces. Once the hard walls close over, there's no reaching back in. If she drifts even a few hundred microns, she'll fuse to the rest of it and it's game over. And then there's the cleaner.
Cleaner?
PVA, soluble support. This one's our inside man. He goes in first and fills all the empty space while the others are building around it. Holds everything captive. By the end, he's packed in so thick, the whole thing comes off the plate looking like a solid stone. Then it's into a water bath and, well, let's not get ahead of ourselves yet.
I like that one best.
Everyone does. Problem is, support spool's light.
Will it make it?
We don't have a choice. We don't have time to get another one here before the job.
One shot then. Make it count.
It's now or never.
Start it.
All right, the cleaner's in. Here we go. twin ones up.
Cleaner made it out?
Yeah, in like 6 seconds flat.
Checking in. How are the-
We're good. I'm just catching up on some things.
You're not watching it?
Relax. It doesn't need me to watch it. We've got runout sensors on every head, tangle detection, power loss recovery. It sort of watches itself.
Sort of.
Well, I mean, the camera's not the star. It's 720p. Good enough to check in from time to time, though.
Well, I guess you're not making a movie with it.
I might be. All right, here we go. It's the specialist's turn.
This is where most machines fail.
Most machines won't even let her in the building.
Flow rate's the trick with her. Push flexible filament too fast, she stutters.
I'm not pushing her.
I know you're not. You know what a rig that could do this cost 5 years ago?
$5,000, easy.
And who had one?
Nobody I knew.
That's the job, Nick. That's always been the job. Capability like this used to sit in a vault. Somebody finally walked it out the front door.
That's some heist.
The best kind. Nobody comes chasing after. Nick, what's going on? Talk to me. Nick.
Give me a second. We've got a problem. It's the cleaner. He's choking, under extruding maybe. I don't know.
Moisture?
Maybe. Could be heat too, or a bad section of filament. It doesn't matter now. We're too deep.
I tried to tell you. Open frame all night. He's been drinking the air for hours.
If I cancel, I save what's left of him, but there's not enough on the spool to start over. One run. That was always it.
So, canceling doesn't save anything. It just kills it on purpose instead of by accident.
Yeah, but if I resume and it keeps choking, the support collapses. The twins bridge over nothing. The whole top of it caves in and we lose it all.
Then you've got a real decision. One run, Nick. You don't get to do this twice.
I know.
You hired a crew. Let them work.
He's back.
Most of the time, that's all you need. A little trust in the machine through the bad pass. Is it done?
Yeah, they're all out, except for
Where's the cleaner?
he's still inside.
That it's not done yet. Every job has a moment where the crew that made it possible disappears. The cleaner did his part. Now he leaves no trace, even among his peers. Well, how's it look? What is it? Show me. Nick? Nick?